we're going to the state fair. Minnesota State Fair. It's the biggest state fair in the US.
I think Texas is.
No, I think the area, the Texas is bigger, but people-wise, you know, people who attend, Minnesota is the largest. Nana? And this is Mimi's second time in the state fair. Last year she was 6 months. Now you are 18 months. What's your name? What's your name? Bad trip. I'm not in the mood. That's my name. What's your name, Mimi?
I'm not in the mood.
Can you tell them your name? What's your name? What's your name? Say hi to your friends. What's your name? Oh, they're asking you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is
I'm not in the mood.
Amelia. Amelia. Say Amelia. How old are you? Very good. One. She said one. Good job. So guys, nag-park lang kami dito. Tapos sasakay kami ng bus kasi walang parking dun sa State Fair. Meron naman, pero yung mga bahay-bahay ito sobrang mahal. Mga nasa $30, $50. Eh pagsasakay kami ng bus, less hassle. Here guys, ang daming tao. Guys, ang daming tao. CR muna kami. Antay namin si Philip. Ang daming tao. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at Mimi, look. Wow. Oh, it's nice. There's a breeze. Oh. Last year, it was really hot. Mimi, look. Let's take this up so you can see. Wow! Look at the people. It's like ants. You know where is the pizza? Okay, donut first then.
Well, they're both to the left.
Okay. Famous na cookie, but hindi siya masarap. I swear, mas masarap yung cookie ko. Sabi ni Pete, useless daw. Wee! Ay, naku babe. You don't need to do that. Talagang daming alam. Hanap namin yung, yung famous na donut. Tsaka yung pizza.
Look at it.
Hey, we can come back here once we get food.
Just like this.
Look at Mimi. Be, I'll take a picture of her. Oh, look at that bamboo thing. It's nice there. Hey, I'm gonna take a picture of her. Mimi! Guys, we are in line for the donut. Grabe, sobrang haba. Yung donut nandun pa, oh. Nandun pa sa sobrang layo. Nag-isang oras kami mag-antay. We got the pizza, guys, while waiting in line. We called pizza at pepperoni. Sarap neto. You okay there?
So in the middle of the car,
After almost 2 hours. 2 hours na. Nandito na kami. Oh. At ang daming tao. Dito kanina si Pip pumila sa pickle pizza. Saglit lang, konti lang. Hindi katulad sa donut, sobrang taas. Right, wanna listen? So guys, dito kami sa dito ni Pete. Bili kami ng ice cream, yung real ice cream daw sa dairy building. Hindi siya matamis, parang pure milk talaga. Tinatry namin siya, o tingnan mo. First ice cream ni Mimi. Hey! Yummy. Para lang siyang gatas na ano, may konting tamis. Okay. Can you smell it? Airplane. Touch the baby? Oh, baby!
So I think actually here now. Yeah.
This is the racing horse, guys. Look at the number. Oh, I want to hear the sound. Na kami. Hindi pa rin natulog. Pero ang tok na yun. Tapos na guys, nakakapagod. Where's that? Bye-bye na sir friends. Bye friends.